Hello everyone, it is me, Gaming Tardigrade, and welcome to a Unity video. I have a package for Unity, which is called Tardy Scripting Utilities. This page looks like it's going to give you a virus, but it won't. I'm going to be showing you how to install it and what it does. Okay, so I'm just going to be showing you what it does first, and then skip to maybe this timestamp if you just want to install it. Okay, so Tardy Scripting Utilities is a package I made for Unity, mostly because you can use Lookat in 3D, but not in 2D. There's a lot of documentation. These are all the features. It'll have more, but yeah, don't have that many ideas yet. Here's the main thing with this. Lookat 2D. So you specify the thing you want to rotate, and then this is just the reference to the thing. And this is the function which returns it will return a quaternion, and that will be, oh yeah, and then you also have to specify the thing you're wanting to rotate, and then the thing you want to look at. So this is one of the big things. That is the reason I actually made this. So hopefully if you're a new game developer or just someone who just really doesn't want to do some annoying code every time, go back to one of your files, load it up, copy, paste, do that for every piece of code. This should be easy. It's entirely free, I should probably mention, because I'm not making people have to pay for something that can help them do well with coding and stuff. Yeah. Then we also have some other things, angle between 2 points, which pretty much is the same code just as Lookat 2D, but instead of returning a quaternion, it returns a float. And then you can lock numbers, which locks them to positive and negative, which will probably be changed in the future, so you don't have to specify float and int, although maybe will. No, I won't have to. I've thought of a way to fix that. And clamping numbers, which is the same as Unity's mathf.clamp, but probably worse. Okay, so I've also designed this with backwards compatibility in mind, so even if you were to use the lock numbers, which will probably be upgraded in the future, it will still work. Anyway, the websites will be in the description. Okay, now getting to installing it. So, to install this, what you want to do is you want to go to the page, the website, on screen. It also has a link to the documentation in this website, although there's probably also a link in the description. And then you want to press download. Okay, and then it'll start downloading. Very cool. So then you want to go to your downloads folder or wherever you install this file, and then you want to extract because it's a zip file. And I'm just going to extract over there. Very cool. And then you will want to go to your Unity project where you want to install this. This was just one project I was working on for a tutorial, although because making a shrink ray is difficult for specific use cases, it isn't that easy. Anyway, so you want to go to the top left where it says Window, to the left of Help, and to the right of Components. And then from there you want to go down over to just below Asset Store and press Package Manager. From there, you want to press the plus in the top left of the package manager, and then add package from disk. Then, what you want to do is you want to go to your downloads location, or wherever you install this package, double click on it again, and go to package.json. Okay, or JSON. And then it'll do it for you, and then it should work. Just gotta wait for it to install. So, now this is installed. If you go to your packages folder, you should see Tardy Scripting Utilities. And in there, you can see the actual code, which it's completely fine to edit and all that. It's honestly not a big issue. Just if you are going to edit it, here's a quick tip. Make sure you put static and what the value it returns you need to do. But if you're going to edit it, I would assume you already know how to do this stuff. But yeah, because it uses a static class. Okay, so if you want to then do stuff, say the shrink ray script, I wanted to look at a point. So let me just make some space. Okay. So it'd just be t, then script ut, so tardy script ut. And the reason I didn't have it as script ut or script utilities, well, script utilities is much harder to type, and script ut, maybe someone else has a different script utilities, which is difficult, and then it could cause issues. And then you want to press dot, and then you can look in this file if you want, or just go to the documentation, and just see, which one do I want? Say I want to look at 2D, which might cause issues in 3D, but it won't. Oh, it might not work as intended for your purpose. And then we press brackets, and then actually no, we need to assign, say, player or transform dot rotation. Oh, camera dot transform the rotation equals to. Then we want to put the camera transform. Oh wait, it's already assigned transform, and that's just so we can get the vector 3 for its position, and oh wait, no, it's angle. I mean it's rotation, but it's easier to assign that rather than point, because then you'd have to put transform the position, and then you also want to put what you want to look at. So I'm just going to do new vector 3. Well, that's pound 3, and then I'll just put 0, 0, 0. And that's how you'd make the camera rotate towards the thing you want. So, oh wait, but that will only actually affect the Z rotation. Yeah. Okay, well, I hope you really enjoyed. If you liked the what is it called, scripting utilities, share it with other people. I don't earn any money from it. It's just as I want to improve people's experience with coding and make it easier for them to code. And with Unity not providing a look at 2D, it's kind of suboptimal. So I made this. Yep. So documentation is this website and everything there. It's actually my website made in like 3 minutes, and actually more like 4 hours or something, which I use so I can actually eventually publish this on the asset source. So maybe once that happens, I'll make a new video on that, on the Unity asset store, I should mention. But yeah, for now it's only on itch.io, and yes, okay. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Gaming Tardigrade. I have been Gaming Tardigrade, and I will be for at least a while longer. Well, have a good time, everyone, and if you install this, hopefully it works. Yes.